Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to confirm old follow requests on Instagram. If you've ever wondered how to manage those requests that might have slipped through the cracks, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. This is where all the action begins. Once you're logged in, look for the notifications icon at the top of the page. It usually looks like a heart or a speech bubble, depending on your version of the app. Tap on it to access your notifications. Next, once you're in the notifications section, you'll see various updates about likes, comments, and more. At the top of this page, there's an option labeled Follow Requests. Click on this to view all pending follow requests that you've received. This is where you can see who has requested to follow you and who you might want to confirm. Now, it's time to find the follow request you want to confirm. Scroll through the list of requests until you spot the profile you're interested in. Take your time. It's easy to miss someone if you're not paying attention. Once you've found the follow request, simply click on it. You'll see a button that says Confirm next to their name. Tap on Confirm, and just like that, they will be added to your followers. It's a quick and easy way to manage your connections on Instagram. In summary, confirming old follow requests is a simple process. Open the app, check your notifications for follow requests, find the request you want to confirm, and click Confirm. By following these steps, you'll keep your Instagram account organized and connect with those who want to follow your journey. Thank you for joining me today. If this guide helped you navigate through your follow requests more easily, consider sharing it with friends who might need it too. Happy Instagramming!